Hey there, good morning. It is Friday, May the 28th, and I just ran the report to see what students have completed the enrollment verification activity and which students have not. Your enrollment verification activity has not been completed as of this morning, and so I wanted to make this quick video and send you an email just to let you know it has not been done and show you exactly what to do in order to get that done. So the enrollment verification activity is sort of like showing up for the first day of class and us marking you present, and then that just kind of secures your spot in the course. So I hope you can take a moment today and get that done. You should be able to see your Moodle page looking something like what I'm showing you on the screen. You'll see a welcome and getting started video, and that just kind of gives you a brief overview of getting started in the course and also talks about session 1. So that is in the top of Moodle, as well as it was emailed out to you. So once you kind of get started on some things, you'll want to go back and review that video. But for right now, our focus is to get you started on that enrollment verification activity. So if you will roll down into the course and you will click right here on this enrollment verification activity tab, and this will open up for you. All you're going to do is you're going to click here on the enrollment verification activity and then take the quiz. So you might see a little bit different on your screen since I'm an instructor, but you will click on this and take the little quiz. It's 4 little questions, and it's quick and easy and painless. And then you're going to click on the upload your NCC orientation certificate here. If you have taken a class in the past at Nash, either last spring or last fall, you can upload the same certificate that you got when you did this in the spring or the fall. But if you have not taken a class and this is your first time, you're actually going to click on this link that will take you to the orientation, and it's a little bit of a kind of like you watch a video and answer some questions, and at the end it's going to give you an actual file, and you will upload that down here. You will see something a little bit different, and it says something like submit, or it may be a box that you can drag and drop. So your screen, again, will look a little bit different since mine is the instructor view. But those are the 2 main things that I need you to go ahead and do today. I do realize that it's a holiday weekend and you're probably busy, but this orientation certificate and this enrollment verification activity is due no later than Tuesday, June the 1st. And if it's not completed by then you are withdrawn from the course and marked as a non-attendee. And so we don't want that to happen. We want you to go ahead and get started in the course and be marked present. Once you complete these things, then I want you to go back up, watch the getting started video and read the emails that I have sent previously, and go ahead and work on your session 1, which is due no later than 11:55 p.m. on Wednesday, June the 2nd. I do plan to be very active this weekend on email, and so if you get started on this and you're confused or you don't know what to do next, please send me an email and let me know, and I am more than happy to help you. And remember, that's your Nash Community College email account, not your high school email account. All right, happy Friday, and I hope you have a great weekend.